In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for task management 2026, step by step. Let's get started by opening your Monday.com workspace and navigating to the board labeled Trial Management. This board is your home base for tasks. Think of it like a smart spreadsheet where each row is a task and each column holds important details such as status and due dates. If you work with many boards, the search bar at the top is a quick way to jump straight to it. Once you're on the board, create a new task by selecting the New Task option. This adds a fresh item to your board. Give it a clear, action-oriented name so it's instantly understandable, even weeks from now. For example, use phrasing like draft proposal or review design instead of something vague. If your board is divided into groups like to do, in progress, and completed, make sure your new task lands in the correct group to keep everything organized. Next, edit your task by adding a due date and setting its status. Click into the due date column to pick a date from the calendar. Be realistic and choose a date that aligns with your team's pace. This will power Monday.com's reminders and timeline views. Then update the status column to reflect where the task stands. Labels like working on it, stuck, or done make progress visible at a glance. Choose the one that best matches your current stage and try to use your team's standard labels consistently so filters and dashboards stay accurate. When the work is finished, mark the task as completed. The quickest way is to drag the status to complete or done, depending on your board's labels. On some boards, you might also drag the task itself into a completed group. Either way, this action closes the loop, clears it from active filters, and helps your reports show true progress. It's a small habit that pays off in cleaner views and better team visibility. To make your table more comprehensive and efficient, consider enhancing your view with widgets and additional board elements. Dashboards, for example, can display a calendar of due dates, a chart of statuses, or a workload snapshot so you see bottlenecks before they happen. Even simple additions like a priority column or a filtered view can make busy weeks easier to manage without changing your core process. And that's it. You open the trial management board, created a new task, set a due date and status, and then completed it by dragging it to the finish. Follow this flow every time, and your Monday.com board will stay clear, current, and genuinely useful.